Hello. In this video, I want to talk about an emerging trend in the stock market that women investors should know about. You may have heard of Warren Buffett before. He's one of the world's most successful stock investors. He once said, "Yeah, we think the best way to minimize risk is to think." This statement has sparked a new way of thinking about investing, especially for women who are looking to build their wealth. The traditional approach. Many women want to make money from the stock market, but they often feel intimidated and unsure of where to start. We may rely on tips from brokers, advisors, and family members to tell us which stocks to buy. This has been the traditional approach for years. However, Warren Buffett's statement suggests that there is a new approach to investing that we should consider. The emerging trend. Warren Buffett is a knowledgeable investor and he doesn't invest on hearsay. He studies, he researches, and picks his own companies to invest in. He reads 8 hours a day and he doesn't constantly watch the stock market. This approach has allowed him to make informed investment decisions that have resulted in great success. The autopilot approach. Investing can be put on autopilot and you don't need to watch the stock market 24/7. By doing this, you can free up your time to think things through, study different businesses, and select good quality companies to invest in. This approach has worked for me and it has allowed me to double many of my investments. It's time for more women to take charge of their investments and put them on autopilot. Starting point. If you want to become a knowledgeable investor like Warren Buffett, you can start by looking at company's financial performance. Check its debt for the current financial year, how much cash and profits it has, and if the cash or profits are sufficient to pay off the debt. Many consistent wealth creator companies are debt-free. This is just a starting point. And if you need help in learning how to see this information, feel free to get in touch. I'm leading an introduction to stock investing this Saturday at 3 p.m. India time, and you're welcome to join in. Just DM. Why women should join in? Investing can seem like a daunting task, but it is important for women to start investing for their financial future. According to a study by Fidelity, women typically save less than men for retirement and are more likely to be living in poverty in their golden years. By becoming knowledgeable investors, we can take control of our financial futures and build wealth for ourselves and our families. Conclusion? In conclusion, the emerging trend in the stock market that women investors should know about is to think. Don't rely on tips from others, take charge of your investments and put them on autopilot. By doing this, you will have more time to think things through, study different businesses, and make informed investment decisions. Let's embrace this new trend and become knowledgeable investors. Ladies, let's join in and build our wealth together. Cheers to the investor being born in you. Take charge.